In this video, we're going to show you around and we will visit the 3 Paris Hermes stores in 2 hours via the metro. So let's go and check this out. I was not fortunate enough to get an appointment, so we will go to these 3 Hermes stores and taking my chance. Good morning! So here we go, our last day in Paris. Sebastian is not here with me today, but I'm here in front of the Champs-Élysées Louis Vuitton flagship store. But what we're trying to do today is we're going to hit up the 3 Hermes stores in Paris. The first one that where I'm going to go to is the one in George 5th. So come with me today, rainy day in Paris, and then let's check this out. Let's see if we're going to have any luck. I don't have any appointment or anything, but we will persevere and then we'll see if the luck is with us. Let's do this. So the Hermes George 5th is really a block away from Louis Vuitton flagship store. So we're gonna go there. I took the metro today and I can see there's lines already outside the store but of Hermes, but we will push it and see what we can do and then what they can do for me. You see the line right there? There you go. We're gonna go there and then we'll check it out, hoping that there's going to be a cancellation or something like that, so that we'll have our chance. Pray for me and let's see what's gonna happen. This is gonna be exciting anyways. The next stop that we're gonna go to is the one in Rue Honoré, and then yeah, let's see, probably it's on the other side. I don't think so. No, so it's gonna be really this side. So we're the first one and then these kids are here. As you can see, so here's the line now. It's opening!
Merci Rally. Je te fais des gros bisous.
So no luck today here at the George 5th. They were telling me yesterday at the Faubourg Saint-Honoré that they're trying to do if they do have a wallet in the morning. So it's supposed to be today. But then I was kind of like thinking it's the same concept here at George 5th. They said for the bags, for the wallet, you need to make an appointment too. Unlike the one in the flagship store that they don't need to have an appointment. So I'm gonna go there right now and then take my chances. Let's do it. And then here is still raining. Raining. So now I'm going to get the metro again and then go to Saint Honoré. Let's do that one first before anything else, and then we'll show you around. So that's what you're seeing right now, Louis Vuitton at 10:46. We do have some lines. That's the flagship store. Now we're gonna go downstairs and then take the metro. Here we go. Let's do it. I'm gonna go in and March 5th, we're gonna go to Concord. So this one is just 3 stations from George 5th, and then you're gonna get out of Concord and then you're gonna walk 4 minutes to go to the flagship store of Hermes. So we'll show you around. Exit on number 6. So here you go to Royale. So we're gonna go exit to Royale. There you go. So here you go. You ended up at the there's Eiffel Tower right there. We're gonna go here straight. Then we're gonna go left. This one is the Jardin. Oh, I think this is Jardin Tuileries Garden. Take the Metro 1, walk 4 minutes, hop on George 5th, half off on Concord, and then walk 6 minutes. And we are heading towards the Iglesia de Madeline. There you go. And then after there, we're gonna go left. So George 5th Hermes opened like around 10:30. And then I stayed there for 20 minutes. And then look around, ask questions, ask for the wish list that I have. The jewelry, they don't have any. That one is out of stock, she said. And then for the pocket belt, they don't have any. Or like what she said, that you need to have an appointment for that. So I'm checking out the flagship store if they have any in there, because yesterday, like I said, when I talked to the lady, she said I don't need to have an appointment. So we'll check it out. So before you leave that, you're going to the Magdalene Church. You will see on the left, there you go, the Hermes Sevres. Oh no, Hermes flagship store. We'll go inside. Let's see. There's a long line. So I stayed at the flagship store for about like 20-30 minutes. I got some stuff that I wanted, that I really need, I should say, and I will show it to you later. And then yeah, so it's just little things because there's no wallet, there's no bags or anything like that. So now we're gonna go to the third store, the third Hermes store in next to Le Bon Marché. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's Sevres, Sevres or whatever. So we're gonna go there right now. It's about 14 minutes from here. We're gonna take the metro again, Concord station, and then we're gonna go to Babylon, and then we'll go from there. Let's do this. The last chance that we're going to have is there. Let's see if that one will let us. But in the meantime, just enjoy the scenery here while it's raining and it's wet. It's very wet, but people are still fashionable, I should say. And then yeah, so today I got this bag right here. So yeah, here we go. We're taking metro number 12, and I'm gonna go here. It's like 14-15 minutes. In the meantime, let's mesmerize with the voice of a Parisian lady. Her. So there's two. There's going that way and then going that way. We're gonna go here. So we're gonna go to the right. Waiting for the metro. And we're here. The last stop that we're going to do. Here we go. And then now we'll figure out where we're gonna go. So you're gonna exit on number 1 to number 1 Rue de Sevres. Sevres. And then yeah. And then you're going to walk 2 minutes. It's a little crowded and loud here. So yeah. You're gonna take the Metro 12, walk 7 minutes, and then half up to Sevres Babylon, and then walk 2 minutes. I think it's a good thing. Hopefully there's cancellation already. Cancel already, people. It's about time. I need my bag. Oh wow, look. Nice. Hermes. So it's still raining here, and behind me is the Le Bon Marché, our favorite shopping mall here in Paris. So I was there for about an hour and a half at the Sevres Hermes store, and then I bought something and then yeah, so I'll show it to you later. There's no bag or anything. I indulge with their coffee and sparkling water because that's the only thing that they can give me anyways. Even the shoes, they don't have my size, or they don't have the style that I wanted, because I don't want to buy things that I just don't need anyways, and I don't like. It needs to be I love it and then I'll buy it, or else we're just wasting time and we're just wasting money. It's not my money anyways, it's my husband's. But anyways, so yeah, so it will take you probably 2 hours to be at the store for about 30 minutes on each store that I spent, and then check it out and then see if that one is there's a bag that's available, or there's any cancellation if you're lucky. This one, oh my gosh, so I have a story to tell. So when I got there, the lady was telling me that there's a cancellation, but she gave the cancellation to the guy in front of me already. So there's that chance. I'm not just lucky today. And then I saw that he just took a picotin bag. I was like, you're so lucky already to have a chance to get a bag, and then that's what you're gonna get, a picotin. Come on. You should have given me the schedule, the appointment, so that I could get my Birkin bag. Anyway, I'm bitching now. I'm so sorry about that. But yeah, there's that chance once in a blue moon. I'm gonna go to Le Bon Marché for the meantime, and then after that, probably after an hour, I'm gonna go back to Hermes Sevres, and then check it out again if there's any cancellation or anything like that, because it's raining. So probably Parisians are scared, or tourists are scared to go to the store and stuff like that, whatever. And then I'll get my chance. So let's see what's gonna happen. But if you like this video, comment below, give us a like, and then share. So this one is the end of the video that I showed you around to the 3 Hermes store, and I hope that you like that, because it's kind of like an interesting one that you can visit the 3 stores in less than 2 hours via the metro. And then yeah, so we started from George V, Hermes George V, and then we went to Hermes Faubourg Honoré, and then now we ended up here at the Hermes Sevres store. So yeah, so you can really do that, just to have fun with it. And yeah, so we'll see. And then there's a lot of lines, probably because it's raining today. But Thank you very much for watching. This is Carlo from Carlo and Seb. We will see you again in the next video. We love y'all. Thank you. Bye. Today's unboxing. You have seen us go around the city and stuff like that on our last day. So today we bought something from Louis Vuitton.